Hello, folks. Today I will talk about interfaces and classes. So, means how you can use this interface and classes in Typescript. So, let me give you a little overview of interface and classes and what are model classes. So, to store the information, model classes need to be created. Model classes can be of type interface or class. So, there are two things. With that, we can easily define the data type like interface and classes. And it is a new feature that is included in the TypeScript. Mostly we use interfaces and classes in C Sharp and Java. So these concepts come in domain model, which include interface and class. So these are used only at compile time, and this allows only you to check that the expected data received follow a particular structure. For this, you can cast your data to this interface. An interface can further be used with a class as well as to define custom types. They are used for storing data and error handling. So in the interface, we just declare the properties and methods. In class, we utilize these properties or members. Class is available at runtime. For this, you have to instantiate the objects to be able to use the call data. So basically, these two things are basically used for type checking. Both can be extended. You have to learn which thing you have to use in particular scenario. So let me give you an example of both interface and classes, how you can use in your project. So in a regular project, what you can do, you can also run a command to create a interface. So let me show you. So this is a command ng generate interface, and the interface name, whatever it is. So here it is. So let me add one. So ng generate interface and for your interface name, and here or whatever it is type model you can add here. So it will basically means for the naming convention, you whatever the things you add in the type, so it will add there. So as you can see here, it has created a interface which has name employee mode.ts. So here it has created an interface. So and it's another command. It is a short command to create interface, ng generate interface and employ. And here you just need to pass the type here, and you can define the data whatever it is in your API. So you can easily define the data. So let me show you one thing here. Uh, it has means so it is basically used to make the properties strictly type. So if you define here model, so ng generate, just a second, let me add. So here you can define those properties, and now you can assign this method, this interface to the any property in whichever data is available. So here we have this strict code. So here like here just you need to define the interface, and you can define if it's any property if you want to add the strict type here. So here same like the interface, you can add with the class also. So here we have this employee. You just need to change, instead of interface, write the class here, and it will generate the default class. So as you can see here, I'm generating the class here, ng generate class employee class. So as you can see here, it is generated the class. Now you can define the constructor or properties or methods, whatever it is. So here this is, and if you want to define it under some folder, then you can use this for models, and means whatever the folder name you want to add, and you can add under that folder name, you can add those classes. So as you can see here, with the class you can easily add the properties. These are the property names, and with that you can add the constructor with that also. These are the constructor that we have added here. So let me show you on the here on the code. So here you can easily define that. Let me exit this thing. Here as you can see here class. So here we have defined the class. So it is same like this class. We have defined the properties. Here we define the constructor, and here we define the method. If you want to use this method, you can do one thing. You can just write here. Just a second. Here you just need to write the create variable and just write here new, and whatever the properties you want to pass, we just need here we are create the instance of this class, and here you can pass, and you can see on the console log it is printing the new objects of these classes, uid and cname. So same like that you can define here uh, get yearly salary. So these are the classes. This is all about the class, and I've already told you the interface. So this is just basically used to add the typings on that. So here with the property, here we define the interface, and here same like that. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe for more interesting content.